What's going on, everybody? It's the kid Mike May, aka Captain Wiggler, signing in live and direct from Poof Dirt Farms. Listen, today we are beginning the deconstruction of Poof Dirt Farms. It may sound negative, but it means rehoming some very vital building equipment for livestock that we are rehoming to homesteaders that we inspired. So it's a beautiful day, mixed emotions for me because we have a lot of history tied up in downtown Cluckshaw, but we have a lot of stuff going to a lot of people who need it, and a lot of livestock being given to homes that love what they're doing and are passionate about being self-reliant the way we teach. So stay tuned. We're going to take you on a journey today. Watch the breakdown of Poof Dirt Farms. We are here at a very interesting time. This is the transition from 5 years of building and a new phase for us and a new phase for you.
Yes.
Let's talk about what happened. You guys came in today, pan for me, look around. Cluckshaw is gone, but it's going to a new home. So let's talk about it. What are your goals with Pahrump farming and homesteading? What are your aspirations? And first of all, let everybody know who you are.
Hi, my name is Lucretia Montgomery, and I've been living here in Pahrump for 13 years.
Yes.
And homesteading is not new to me. I am 5th generation homesteading from my father's side and 6th generation prepper from my mom's side.
Boom.
So I grew up in this life and I never strayed from it.
Good.
So basically what I do on my farm is we was taught to prep for the next year.
Have to.
We grow our food for ourselves, but within doing that, as time changed, I just start growing for my community. So whatever I grow enough for myself and enough to share. You know, so
Each one teach one. That's awesome.
And I never charge anybody for anything. I just make boxes and give people food because
You hear
food
that?
is something.
You hear that? Food is something that people need.
Yeah, and we was raised that it shouldn't have a cost. That food is like water and air. We need it to survive, so it should be free. So we share.
Find her homestead. We are supporting farmers and homesteaders that are on the same path, sharing the same trajectory. I am really excited that Cluckshaw is going to you guys.
Thank you so much.
I'm really excited because what that does is signify the next chapter and know Poof Dirt Farms as a whole, like my wife and I may be gone, the legacy and the things that we're teaching and the vibe that we're instilling in the community lives on through people like you and continues through your children, which is huge. So we thank you. We really want you to keep in contact with us and keep us up to date with what you're doing so that we can promote that as we move.
Yes, so people in the community know that if the food banks don't have any food, they can always come knock on my door, and whatever I have, they have.
Awesome.
We share.
She's part of our network, y'all. That's how this works. We're building communities here. The new thing is self-made, community growing. That's what we do. We're growing community, and we're inspiring that in people, and I really appreciate you guys coming out. Y'all should have seen it. There was a tribe here breaking this stuff down in a real methodical manner. Everything's nice and neatly organized. Take a pan to that. That's all that remains right there of downtown Cluckshaw. That's history. We thank you. This is awesome.
We thank you.
Cheers to the next chapter, man. Cheers to the next chapter.
Next chapter.
Yes.
Yes, it's an honor meeting you guys. It's I'm so sad you guys are leaving and we just met you.
Well, new is never bad, and we look forward to people like you continuing the mission, and that's what it's about. Find her in Pahrump. Okay, understand that her farm is here for the community the way we're here for the community, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Roll out!
That's the idea. A little bit of maintenance, right? Got a mobile chicken garbage disposal.
I gotta say, this is all cool. It's impressive, you know.
Thank you. My favorite part is that people get a piece of our farm with them. See? That's my jam. All right, so here's the deal. We'll make the ramps a little bit tighter for the wheel spacing.
Okay.
And then because the frame has the wheels so low, because you don't want the chickens to escape, I'm gonna have to pick up the front end and get it going.
Okay.
But after that, it should bottom out.
Okay.
All right, ready? Are you on? There we go. There she goes. Hey, I'm here with my homie Rudy. What's up, Rudy?
Hello.
Hey, listen, we are breaking down Camp Jody right now, bro. It's sad but exciting. Exciting but sad. Let's talk about it. So, Camp Jody's going with you on its new journey with some of the goats from here, right?
Yep, that's right.
Dope. So, what are some of the goals that you have for the following year and the stuff that we're doing in our absence? Like when we break down Camp Jody and it lands at your farm, what are your objectives?
Moving forwards towards self-sustenance.
Yeah, dog.
Getting one of the baby goats from you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Looking to get into breeding so we can get into milking and all that.
Sweet.
Just got our first meat birds and everything. We're all moving in the right direction.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. See? Keep it growing. What a crazy day. I'm standing in what used to be downtown Cluckshaw. As you can see, we had a little bit of help making it disappear. Shout out to all the Pahrump-based homesteaders who came out today to reclaim some of this already reclaimed and upcycled material. We thank you. You are the reason why we do what we do, and we appreciate your comments when you are saying you're inspired by what we've done. That's the point. Planting seeds for a better tomorrow means just that. We plant, and we hope that the fruits of our labor is living on through you. Keep with us on the journey. This is only the beginning. Yo, this is an exciting time to be alive. What I want you guys to do is follow us on this journey. I know new is uncomfortable, new is uncertain, but new can be the best thing you've ever done. Stay tuned and watch as we take you on this journey. Poof Dirt Farms has become self-made. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow all of our content on the social media platforms. The links are in the description below. Thank you for your support and continue on your journey.
The mirror motivation, I'm the change I want to see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me.